How's it going?
Good. Getting cold out there for that?
Hands are a little chilly, but how's your day going, officer?
It's going.
Yeah? Oops, sorry, I don't mean to touch your car.
No,
Do you guys do like a routine thing through here?
sometimes, yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say I see you guys come.
We try to come through and
Heck yeah.
kind of just take a look around. So
Yeah. The hands get a little cold when the sun's out, but other than that, dude, it feels great.
good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Well, appreciate
Watch
it.
out for that sporadic patch of ice.
The ice and then the rocks are the biggest thing for us, but
Yeah, I bet.
yeah.
Okay, guys, enjoy your day.
You have a great rest of your night. Thank you.
And you're obstructing it as well. So technically this is illegal and that's illegal. Okay. Alright? I'm going to let you off with a warning.
Okay, that's fine. I'm going the speed limit, it's fine. Bro! Why? I know. It's up to you, it's up to you. Just keep going. Yeah, it's fine. I don't want you to get in trouble too. What's up, officer?
What's the deal with you going in and out of the cones there?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There's no excuse. I just saw an opportunity and did it. Yeah. You mind if I take my helmet off? What's that?
I said, yeah, you're good.
Okay. I have earplugs in, so I can't really hear.
You know, honestly, I'm surprised this thing has a plate on it. I didn't see a plate either.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah, that I got up to run. Is this a dirt bike that you made street legal?
Yeah. Well, this one actually came straight legal from the factory,
Oh.
but it is a dirt bike technically.
Do you have your
Yeah.
motorcycle's license with you?
Yeah, I do.
So if you need to step off, you can.
That's what you get for being a hooligan on the streets, guys. I'm so glad he was nice about it and just let me go. He said he was more worried about the plate. He didn't see that I had a plate on my bike or not, if I had one or not. And once he saw the plate, he was like, oh, it's fine, just don't do it again. So, thank God, everything's okay.
Sorry?
You don't have a rear fender. Once the light changes, just come over to the right one.
A rear fender? Are you kidding me? You have nothing better to do?
If you hear me, you gotta pull over.
Yeah, I got you.
What's wrong with you, Rico? You got the aftermarket light.
Yeah.
You don't have a rear fender.
Okay,
You got a
this is not illegal then. Not in BC.
I'm talking about a rear fender. You have to prevent rocks.
Okay, but a fender eliminator kit is legal in British Columbia, sir. I will fight this in court if you want. I'm totally cool with that. I will take the tickets for everything else, though.
Well, what's gonna happen is going in for an inspection.
That's fine.
And it comes with a ticket as well.
That's fine. I'll pay the ticket. Are you having a bad day or something? I just got off work. I'm like, what the hell? This has never happened before.
Where do you work?
I'm a chef.
Okay. All right. Well, I don't make the rules. The government does. These are safety things, right? You're not visible with the small lights.
Well, this is what a standard R6 comes
Okay,
with.
so you're not visible with the small lights. These are aftermarket. They have to be, like I said, 9 inches apart. They're not the proper distance, and they're aftermarket. They don't have any SEE codes. You don't have any fender. Your entire rear tire is exposed.
I know, but that's not illegal.
So, yeah. So what's going to happen is you're picking up rocks and dirt and you're breaking people's windows. So the government requires you to have a proper fender. It's great. You can document all the.
No, I like to, I'm just.
You're just documenting your.
That's why I ride with a GoPro. I see so much stupid stuff,
Yeah, I believe it. That's why I got a job, right? People doing stupid stuff. But the government requires you to follow their rules if you're operating on their roads. If you want to go to the racetrack and drive this, that's fine.
This is a 22-year-old bike. It's been like this for 22 years. I never had an issue.
I know, but the government makes the rules and you got to follow.
The government's pretty fucked. Argue with this in court, are you going to be there with me? Like, are you going to show up?
That's my job, yeah.
Okay, that's cool. I just want to make sure.
Nah, he's coming, dog. I'm gonna hang back, see what he wants. Oh shit. What'd I say? Who's he pulling over? It's definitely for the plate. It's definitely for the plate. There's 3? Bro, it's not that deep.
How you doing?
What's up? Yeah, did I do anything wrong?
Huh?
Did I do anything wrong?
Did you do anything wrong?
Yeah.
You guys are reckless driving. And I'll talk to you all about that as a group, so I don't have to explain it a bunch of times.
Okay.
I wasn't really changing lanes or anything, but
I can't hear you, man, with that thing on.
I said I wasn't really changing lanes or anything. I maintained my lane in the left.
Yeah. I'm not just talking about right here.
Okay.
Yeah. So, do you have your registration, your license on you? Do you have any weapons on you?
No, no weapons.
Alright, so I'm going to explain to you all at one time why y'all got pulled over, okay? So, all the way basically from through here, all those jurisdictions have been getting calls on you guys for reckless driving, okay? So when y'all came through here, obviously I located you, I found you, I saw a couple of y'all splitting traffic, not using turn signals, driving up the middle, which I think she was kind of talking to some of y'all about to begin with. I totally get it, right? It's bikes, it's fun, it's beautiful weather, but traffic is heavy. You know, one of y'all goes down, and now all of a sudden you're probably not going to live because somebody's going to squish your head, right? And then somebody's got to live with that on their conscience as well. Like, oh no, it wasn't my fault, but I still killed somebody. That's a bad day for you and a bad day for them, right? So we also don't want to cause any more hazards out here with people having accidents, whether y'all getting hurt or somebody else. All right, so that's why we're here today. Does that make sense? That makes sense. And half of y'all don't even have license plates on y'all's bikes, which you can't do that. All right. I do appreciate y'all pulling over. Thank you for not fleeing. That would have caused a lot of more issues and a lot more paperwork for me. All right. So you will get some breaks because of that. Does that make sense? All right. Do y'all have any questions for me?